A beam of electrons at rest is accelerated by a potential difference V. This beam experiences a force F in uniform magnetic field. What is the force on electron due to magnetic field B? Force on electron due to magnetic field B. Force on electron due to what? Due to magnetic field, because electron is accelerating through a magnetic field. So force on electron due to magnetic field B is FB is equal to force due to magnetic field. F is equal to, it is actually Q into V cross of B. Q into what? V cross of B. It means it is Q into VB sine of theta. Here theta is 90 degree and sine 90 is equal to 1, because that field is perpendicular. Therefore, force acting on electron is, now charge on electron is E, velocity with which electron is moving is V, and that magnetic field is B. It means here that force is directly proportional to velocity with which that electron is moving. Now this beam experiences a force F in a uniform magnetic field. The accelerating potential is increased to V dash. Initial potential difference, it is V. New potential difference, it is V dash. New potential difference is V dash. Accelerating potential is increased to V dash, and the force experienced by the electron in the same magnetic field B dash is equal to B. Force experienced by electron in the same magnetic field and F dash is equal to 2 times of F. F dash is equal to what? 2 times of F. As we know, force F is equal to E into V into B. F is equal to EVB. Charge on electron remains unchanged. Magnetic field, it is kept same. It means this force is directly proportional to velocity with which electron is moving. And as F dash is equal to 2 times F, see here, F is proportional to velocity. So F dash is proportional to what? V dash. F dash is proportional to V dash, but F dash is equal to 2F. Therefore, as F dash is proportional to V dash, take F dash upon F is equal to V dash upon V. But V dash, F dash is equal to what? 2F. So 2F divided by F is equal to V dash upon V. This F get cancelled, therefore V dash is equal to 2 times of V. Now the ratio of, here we have to find out the ratio of initial potential difference to that of new potential difference. Remember one thing, that when electron moves or when electron is accelerated in a magnetic field, then kinetic energy of electron is equal to its potential energy. Loss in kinetic energy is equal to gain in potential energy. Loss in kinetic energy equal to gain in potential energy. What is the kinetic energy of electron? It is half m into v square. And what is potential energy? E into v. Remember, this is capital V, this is small v. Capital V and small v. Therefore, new kinetic energy half m into v dash square is equal to E into potential difference v dash. Therefore, V divided by v dash is equal to V divided by v dash is equal to velocity square upon new velocity square, v square upon v dash square. But we know v dash is equal to 2v. Therefore, v upon v dash is equal to v square upon 2v whole square, that is equal to v square upon 4v square. So this v square get cancelled with v, or v upon v dash is equal to 1 upon 4. V upon v dash is equal to 1 upon 4. So the ratio of original potential difference to that of new potential difference is 1 by 4. So out of 4 options, look at option D. V upon V dash is equal to 1 upon 4.